everybody doing on this beautiful New York AM session? Still in the AM session. What's happening? Oh my, good to see everybody here. Steve in it, welcome. Doing great, thank you. Gabor, thank you so much. Smash those likes. Thank you, Dominic. Hey, good to see you back. How's it going? I saw your email. Nice job there. Thank you. It usually seems like nowadays, because I'm doing the opening at MyFunded TV, I have a little bit less time here on the New York session, so usually more time in the London stream. So you're here. Adam, hey there. Camilla said it was like, welcome. De épp a legjobbnak áron is feltétem. Camilla's asking which was the best prop in price and rules. Well, it's hard to say. Best of the best. Depends if you can go with the intraday trailing or not, but I guess end of day is the best, right? I would go with either MyFundedFutures, and I'm not just saying this because I'm a host at MyFundedFutures, but it would be either MyFundedFutures or if the daily payouts doesn't really matter too much. That's a tough question. I would say MyFundedFutures or Take Profit Trader. Those are the one at the moment. There's another one for sure. Yeah, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day also very good. So you can choose end of day accounts at Trade Day as well. Obviously, the end of day trading accounts are always going to be a little bit expensive. I mean, more pricier, not technically expensive, but definitely pricier. Trading Star, hello there. So, yeah, I'm gonna have a partnership with FundedNext Futures too. They also have end of day accounts, and they are a pretty solid prop firm. They're in the business since quite a long time now. So I just signed a contract with FundedNext Futures, so I'm going to be trading with them as well. FundedNext was first a CFD prop firm, which they still are, and they are in business since a long time now, like at least 5 or 6 years minimum or more, and they stepped into futures as well. So anyway, there are some real good ones. You're welcome. TOMSABO is also good. It's a little bit more expensive to activate because there's an activation fee. The payout, the platform, Project X, I'm just gonna say it out, it sucks. Okay. I'm sorry to say it like this. I do have Project X connection, by the way, but anyway, that's just my personal opinion. I'm not saying TOMSABO is bad, by the way. TOMSABO is a great company, a great prop firm, by the way. Really, they are really good. So, but yeah, TOMSABO also there. Yeah, TOMSABO is also great. TOMSABO is great. These issues are a little bit frustrating with the Project X platform. I hope that they will figure it out. A new prop firm now. Yeah, so new prop firm wise, I would try out if you want to switch from MyFundedFutures, try Take Profit Trader, or maybe Trade Day. Also good. Funded Futures Network is the secret runner, by the way. For $75, you can get 2 accounts, no activation fee. So if you think about it, there's a buy one get one for free promo currently running. There's the link, by the way, right in the chat. I see it. You can check it. It's in the Streamlabs is spamming it. You can read about it. $75, you can buy 2 50K accounts with no activation fee. $37.50. And I got 5 payouts so far from Funded Futures Network. Pretty good, I must say. You got the connection? Yeah, I saw the email, Dominic. Yeah, nice job there. Good charts. I loved it. Oh, nice. If TopStep removes their activation fee, that's going to be awesome. I need a cheap eval just to get my frustration out. Okay, so if you need a cheap eval, Bulenox has a 75% off, but it's intraday trailing. If you want a real cheap eval, I think right now maybe I mean you can buy one at Lucid Trading, which is end of day trading, a trailing account. By the way, yes, Lucid Trading is only a one-time payment, but they do have an activation fee. But the good news is, by the way, Camila, good news is that only one-time payment, no monthly fees. So you pay only one time for the evaluation, and you can take 6 months to pass the account. 6 months. Check out Lucid Trading. Lucid Trading. Okay, it's in the links in the description or in the chat. Lucid Trading, end of day trailing, and only one-time payment. One-time payment. I think it's $70 something one time, plus activation fee, but there is no recurring payment monthly on the evaluation. Just saying, no recurring payment. So if it takes 2 or 3 months for you to pass the evaluation, it's still going to cost just one-time payment. I would say that's not a bad thing. That's not bad. Obviously, the thing is you need to keep the account. So the Punisher, or 44 the X Punisher, welcome, hello there. No, yeah, they don't have activation fee. Trading Star is more of an expert on this. Trading Star, do they have activation fee or not? FundingTicks network have intraday. They have end of trade trailing drawdown. End of trade, which means it's not the same as Apex or Bulenox, so they're not trailing the open position, Steve. They're not trailing the open position. They only trail when the position is closed. So if you're up $1,000 on an open position, for example, at Apex, they're going to trail your maximum stop limit, right? Your maximum loss limit. But at FundingTicks network, if you're up $1,000, and sorry, at Apex, and if that $1,000 goes back against you, you're just going to throw out that on the window, right? So, but at FundingTicks network, if you're up $1,000 and you end up at break even on the trade, it's not going to trail. So it's not trailing the open position. That's the thing. They have no activation. Okay, thank you, Trading Star. Oh my gosh, then Lucid Trading is the go-to with no activation fee, one-time payment only, right? That's it. $70 something, you can get a 50k account. I don't know the price yet. Yeah, so I call it not end of day, not intraday. I call it end of trade trailing. So end of trade trailing. Yeah, Lucid. Yeah. I think there's a link in the description of the stream, or I don't know if Streamlabs spamming it somewhere. Yeah, I'm glad too. I don't know how I looked over this. Thank you, Trading Star, by the way, for the information. Trading Star helped us out here with the info. No activation there, so absolutely, Steve. Use the best code. Yeah. Thank you, man. So account wise, their support is awesome. That's good. Mark, hello. Ciao. Good to see you, man. Look at this. I should have entered the short here. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. 6. I mean, what to do now, right? So that's the issue. Again, just like we had yesterday, we had an issue with this. Okay, let's just look to the left on the 15 minute. Wow. Okay, I think we're going to go lower. There you go. Next target. Who wants to take a short? 113.50 is the next target. Just saying. I'm just saying. That's where we're going. That's a 15-minute demand zone. Part of me wants to take a short here. During my funded TV, I did take a long position back to the opening price, so I managed to recover that small loss that I had. Okay. 130. I took a small short down to 130. Okay. I took a small short position down to that 15-minute demand zone. There. Let's see. This is the 1 minute, but this is quant hour, so the zone is on the 15-minute. Let me show you. So I switched to the 15-minute time frame here. And let's go to the left all the way to November 7th, so last Friday basically. Last Friday PM session. Look at these bearish candles. I'm not saying it's 100% level, but it picked up liquidity here. Picked up liquidity here and started to push higher. This definitely initiated some move here throughout the weekend. Anyway, this is where it started. So 113.50 on the micro. These two bearish candles started at 3 and 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. These two candles would be the supply zone or bullish order block or whatever you want to call it. That's the level that I like. Obviously we can see a bounce. 296, there's my stop up there. We'll see. It's okay if it reprices this 5-minute gap. I don't have a problem with that. So that's all. Let's see if the sell-off continues. If not, it's fine too. I actually made profits on the other accounts. I'm good. I'm absolutely good. Okay. Seems like this one wants to go higher, up to 67. Let me see. There's liquidity at 67. What's it gonna do? On the 1 minute, it almost feels like it wants to... Okay. Yeah, it went up there for sure. Now the question is it going to reprice the whole area here or not? Yeah, there she goes. Oh my gosh. Okay, what a bounce. It's a good thing it's just one micro. Mob here, hello. Seems you have special discount on gas or electricity. Whatever. Special discount? Depending on what you mean. I can see you sitting in t-shirt. Oh, sitting, sorry. Yeah, I mean, I have a, yeah, I'm in the t-shirt, but hey, it's fine. The weather is great here. we are not even I'm not even heating the apartment right now. The heater is not even on. So, and you know, the thing is, I kind of like the cold weather a little bit more. I like cold weather. Today it was just a few degrees Celsius outside. I took a walk. It was so great. It was a little bit foggy, but I didn't care. I took a great walk. And it felt good. Look at this. It wants to go higher. Let's see if it can push through. There is a 15-minute fair value gap at 97. $97.50. Let's see. The high is, yeah, 97.25. All right, better to wait. $37,000 Czech koruna invoice. Oh, they charged me extra apart from my. Oh my gosh. 37,000 Czech koruna. That is a lot of money. That is a lot of money. What the heck, man? I made 786 each on my 50k Lucid test accounts. That is amazing. Trading Star. That's so cool. My gosh, congratulations, man. Good job. Mahavir, how comes that it's that's very expensive? Oh my gosh, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. You're welcome, Trading Star. Yeah, you were frozen. My gosh. Well, I don't know. Is there anything you can do about it? Or there's nothing. Like, it is what it is, right? I don't even know, because yeah, I don't really want to go into politics and everything, like, and how things are going. I keep hearing that energy prices are fairly high. I mean not fairly, but they're pretty high all over in the European Union. Our prime minister is technically bragging about that, how good we are with energy prices because we are buying everything super cheap from Russia. But on the other side, I mean, our prime minister also saying that everybody's paying a huge amount of money for energy. The households are paying a lot of money in European Union, except Hungary. I don't know where to put it. Is it true? Is it not? I don't know. But it seems like it's kind of true. I mean, this is an enormous amount of money. Is it gonna go lower or not? I'm telling you guys, it's gonna go, or at least it wants to go. If it's not going, then it's not gonna go. Captain Obvious, right? Dangerous place to sell. Yeah, I know. It's dangerous, I know. 8,000 Czech koruna for my restaurant every month, which is as advance payment, and final depends on consumption. So does that mean, so there was some extra consumption there, which is insane, by the way. So you have a restaurant. I need to go there. I need to go there and have a good meal. Oh, weekly level. Okay. Escalade. What? Be rolling, baby. Okay. Typical hungry. Yeah, I am a hungry. I am. I always like to eat. I love to eat, man. I'm sorry. I just love eating. Hey, Chris Private, hello. The day so far is great. Green everywhere on the evals, on the fundeds. All is good. So oh yeah, so Trading Star. Yeah, so the fasting, I want to start that. I don't know if I can do it. I mean, I want to. I don't know when to start. Which day would be ideal to start? People keep telling me. I told this to a few people I know. Like, I should start, and they said I shouldn't do it because it's gonna totally mess me up. If I do fasting, I'm gonna be messed up in 3 days, totally, in my mind as well. Like, I'm gonna go crazy. They tell me that I'm gonna go totally crazy, but I think it's needed. It has to. I mean, I have to try. I have to try it for 3 days at least. Oh, hey, Filkos, definitely. We are gonna party like there's no tomorrow. Oh, yes. Crypto, hello, welcome. Did you trade Lucid? I purchased accounts with them. I'm still trading. They are good. So they are really good. I think I'm gonna lean more focus on them because it seems like it's really cool. So yeah, they still have, I think they have a sale going on as well. So if you want to grab some accounts with Lucid, you know the best code out there. But yeah, actually, let's see. No, that's not it. Oh, this is it. I think this is it. I need to find this song. Yeah, this is the song. I know it. I have it. I have it. A few hours at first. So yeah, I was thinking about that. So should I start with just a few hours? Okay. Past 2 new evals on the short. Let's go. Congratulations. Yeah, I think I need to see a doctor. I don't know. I was just reading about this. Like some websites are saying that go for 3 days, but I don't think I can do 3 days. Do not eat from 6 p.m. until 12 p.m. next day. That's a good start. Okay. Okay, so nothing from 6 until 12. So then I sleep. So I can have a breakfast and some lunch. And that's it. Again, nothing from 6 to 12. Okay. Oh, 18 hours. Okay, sorry. Okay. Sorry, not AM. Sorry. PM. I'm stupid. Yeah, not AM. Okay, PM. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can do that. No problem. Easy. Easy. Okay. Why not? Why not? I'm down. That's kind of cool. A lot of water, tea, and liquids, then you will have no problems. 7 days without eating. Drinking a lot of fluid, like, right? Lots of fluids. Man, I gotta check for some sales here. And by the way, speaking of sales, you know what I'm gonna say. If you want to grab a good discount, if you just want to have a better life, better health, better family, better friends, who knows, just a better future. Don't forget, all these prop firms are waiting for you. You just need to get the discount code TOMSABO. Use it wisely, not just for prop firms, but on your local grocery store as well. Go for it. The best discounts, use it. Sponsored by TOMSABO's YouTube stream. All right, sorry. That was the commercial. Oh, that's great, Camila. Thank you. Zero stress. Okay. Okay. So stress. Yeah. This, okay. So what? Let me get something clear. I would hate to go on. Like I'm already having a bit of a stress in my life. Not too much, but a bit of a stress. It's okay. I can handle it. I think fasting is going to add a little bit extra stress. Oh, they're brainwashed to sell your drug. Okay. Okay. Strong support level here. Yeah, it seems like it. I thought that we're gonna go down into that 15-minute level. You know, if it's not going down now, then it should be going down later. Class commercial. Oh, okay. Thank you, Mavir. Anytime. Don't worry about it. Thank you so much, by the way. But I will be there. But hey, I am paying for my meal. I don't want any handouts. I'm gonna pay for everything, and I'm definitely going to visit. If I mean, I want to go to Prague, by the way, for a visit. It's in the plan. I'm definitely planning to go. Perceived situations more intense. Good to have nice and kind people around. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be wow. Yeah, I don't think so too. I think the market is just pretty much drying up right now. I mean, we're still in the AM session, but yeah. Yeah, I totally get it, Trading Star. I know what you're saying. Yeah, it's definitely an interesting level. Do I still have my position? Oh, I have. Okay, I have it. Still have it. right, what else do we have? I'd love to see this go lower. I definitely do. That would be amazing. That would be just amazing. Time matters like size matters. Oh yeah. Easy. Okay. Thank you for the trust, Vilkos. Thank you. And I definitely being grateful for the support there. For the emotional support as well. It's okay, Trading Star. We know what you're thinking. Of course. Let's see. Are we going down? Are we going down? We should be going down. Look at that. We have enough volume, by the way. I think the thing is that I mean, we're consolidating. I know I just said we're volume is drying up, but I'm changing my mind. It could have just consolidated and accumulated some positions here. Okay. Tap, tap, da, da, da. Come on, just go down. Oh. Just go down finally. I just received the code from them. I'm not actively promoting them. I just being asked a couple of times, like, "Hey, do you have a code for them?" I said, like, "Yeah, I'm soon gonna have one." Very bad rules. Oh. Actually, maybe I should not promote them, right? All right, Trading Stars, see you next time. Have a good one. See you in the morning. Okay, come on, go down finally. We need this to go down. It's it just has to. Come on. Just go. Look at this consolidation, man. Not good. Randall, hello. Yes, I had awesome trades today. I can't complain. Even if I lose this one, I'm gonna be well in the green, and this is not copy traded, it's just one account, so it's absolutely great. So it should be going lower, but if not, that's fine too. Come on. This is just gonna, this is gonna go all the way until lunch hour. I'm telling you, this is gonna happen until lunch hour. I'm not surprised. I have the 50k core funded in my funded futures to withdraw the max 3k. I need only 3k above the... No. I mean, hold on. To request the full 3000, you need 6k. To request the full... No, you don't need, sorry. No. You need $3,100. Sorry, I got myself confused. I'm sorry, I apologize. So ships, you need to request the maximum withdrawal. Oh my, wow, hold on. You can request 50% of your profits, which means that's 6k. Dude, that's 6k. 6k. Okay. 6k, yes. Yes. So that's gonna be 50% is $3,000. So you can get $2,400 after a profit split. So after the profit split, you're gonna get $2,400. But the good news is that you're gonna be left with $3,000 of safety net. So, you know, you have quite a good wiggle room to trade for the next payout. So yes, that's correct. Thank you, Summit Bank, sorry. 6k, you gotta go for 6k, man. Yeah. Now what I'm aiming for with my core accounts, because I have multiple core accounts as well, is I'm not gonna wait for the $3,000. I think I'm going to request around $3,000 or $3,600 when I'm in profit. I'm going to request 50% when I get there. So I think it's going to be like $3,600 when I'm going to request 50% of the profits, but from multiple core accounts at the same time, because I'm copy trading them. That's my plan. So I'm not planning to go for it. Not that I think it's a bad plan. How about New Year in Budapest on cruise? That would be amazing, Mahavir. You know, we should rent out the limo and we just cruise around in the city. That would be amazing. 3.5k profit, and it shows me that when I will be having 5 days I could roll. Oh, 2.6k. Interesting. That's interesting. Wow. So you can withdraw after 1100. Now I got confused. Ships. Huh. I mean, you can withdraw 50% of your profits. So, you know, you can request $1,750. 2.5k. What the heck? I don't understand. You should be able to request at least 50% minus the 20% profit split. Okay, what's going on with this trade? Yeah, by the looks of it, if that's what you see on the dashboard, I gotta look into those details, man. Sorry, I was just reading something. Hourly worth a great swing trade revised. Yeah. I don't know, Randall. It seems like, I don't know. Maybe I should look into swing trading a little bit more. By the way, I was thinking about that. I was just reading. Why is it not going down? Okay. Seems like it's going higher. Methodical is long. I should have known that he's long. I should have known it. Okay. It's not a bad idea to, I mean, maybe, no. Yeah, let's just, you know, he can fade me. I don't care. He can do what he wants. I don't care. I don't care. And he's out. Okay. Yeah, I even if it takes me out, I believe that there could be another drop happening. Hey, Dominic, what's up? No trades open. Barbie has a trade open. All right. I'm moving the market right now. I'm the one who's moving the market. Oh, man. I'm the one who's moving them. Tell them in the chat that I am the one who's moving the market, not them. They don't know. So in a nutshell, I was draw down 50k on same funded core. Already did. All right. Thank you, Randall. Thank you. Oh, no, sorry. No, it wasn't you. Chest trade, sorry. You're down. Chest, yeah, sorry. I'm sorry, a little bit tired, guys. A little bit tired, not gonna lie. Chest, sorry. But I'm the one who's moving the market, not them. I just want to say, everybody over there at MyFunded TV, that don't fade me. It's never a good idea to fade me. Hey, Business Lens. I still haven't received the giveaway accounts. No, I would give away accounts like on a fair giveaway, which we want to do like weeks now. And I already have my video ready to upload. I just don't know how many accounts can I give away. I don't know why they're ghosted me. Yeah, I'm waiting for how many accounts can I give away. That's the thing. Anyway. All right. No, choose you. Okay, I'm gonna choose you guys, everybody here. Everybody. Oh, did I choose it? I don't know who I chose. Gold is on a sell. Well, now nice rejection here on the midnight area. But the problem, I don't see a zone. If I don't see a zone, I don't see a target. If there's no target, I can't take a trade, which is kind of good. Makes it easy. But I see a juicy 15-minute demand zone down there on NQ. So did I choose green? I don't know. I don't know. I actually can't guys, I honestly can't remember who I chose. I don't know. I really don't know. I didn't. Okay, I'm sorry. I wasn't sure. Raphael trades Gabor, SMT, yeah, something like that, and AD, of course, some fellow. Yeah, I was leaning a little bit to my fellow comrades here in Hungary. I'm sorry, I had to. They told me in the private chat that I can choose whoever I want. There are gonna be no retaliations or anything, so I can do whatever I want. That's what they told me. I said, if I can choose anybody without any consequence, you know, then let's just rig it. Gabor, I'm out this trade. All right, enough. Cool. I want to know what the market is going to tell me. Was I right? Or was I wrong? Raphael, he has some sort of a blessing on him. He has the blessed aura. You're short 405. Wow, from 300 points, Gabor. Wow, that's amazing. I think we're still gonna go down there. By the way, just saying. I think we're gonna hit that. We're gonna hit that level. You know, just for fun, I'm gonna modify my TP just a few ticks to trick the market makers. A few ticks. Because the market makers already set the market where it's going to bounce. It's just gonna be one tick before my TP. So I'm gonna trick them, double trick them that I'm moving my TP just a few ticks closer. I can't even speak now. Live account with one. Oh, wow. The ads again? Oh, I'm sorry. By the way, while we're still here, can you guys please help out the channel and smash the like button? Please. Thank you so much. Smash those likes. We gotta do something about the New York streams. So, thank you so much. Ludafish, hello. It's going to 126. Yeah, that's why I'm getting out at 132.50. Jose Carlos, welcome. My first show of the day was 6:14, 10:30. Ah. Your cold dinner. All right, thank you so much. Yeah, we're have a good dinner. So we're short. All right. Come on, let's get on with this. We need to see this one hitting the TP before lunch hour. Tell everybody at MyFundedTV that nobody takes the long position now, because fading me is not a good idea. If I close my short position, they can go long. At 65. Okay. That's kind of a good news. Oops. Come on, drop it. Drop it down. Come on, market makers. I know you want it. There you go. A little bit more. A little bit more. Market makers, this is not what we agreed upon. So I need a little bit more drop here. Come on. Come on, drop. Go lower. Come on. I'm short. I'm short. This is a short position. High resistance, yes, Ludafish. Yeah. You know, look at this. This is accumulation. It's trying, but it's not able. I can see this one going back up there again. You know, it's going to be a high resistance liquidity run. It's definitely a high resistance liquidity run. I need to make a difference from now on between possible high resistance and low resistance liquidity runs. I know ICT also talked about that, but how to identify that the next possible move could be high resistance or low resistance liquidity run. Now, this is obviously going to be high resistance if it gets there. We all see that. This was pretty much low resistance, yeah. But what made it? Oh, sorry, not that. Here, the 930. But what made it to be that? I don't know. Come on, man. NQ, are you kidding me? I don't really want to hold this trade into a drawdown if it goes above my entry, to be honest with you guys. I'm not really a fan of holding this trade into another drawdown. So I'm just going to put this to break even, and I'm going to let fate decide what to do. Okay. It said break even from now on, so it's a free trade. I don't care what happens, break even or full TP. One thing I'm sure of is that I don't want to hold this trade in a drawdown anymore. I don't want to. If it goes up, awesome, good job, but no thank you, market. No news, yeah, it's a problem. I'm gonna play some Arc Raiders later today. I can't wait. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. I'm technically addicted to that game. I'm totally got hooked on that game. Last time I felt something like that in video games, that was in 2018 with PUBG. Ever since then, this is the first video game that I'm totally hooked onto. I don't really play video games nowadays because I just don't have the mood for it, and there's no game that I like to. Arc Raiders, I love it. I just absolutely fell in love with the game. And also there's another game. What's the name of it? Sorry. Arena Breakout, which is the copycat of Tarkov. I also like that. I think that's a cool game. Arena Breakout is free to play, by the way. But Arc Raiders, I love it. Oh man, look at this. It's gonna go to break even. I'm usually trying not to shoot on other players. So there are two types of players in the game, and this is quite good that you can choose your path. Like, are you want to be a player who is aggressive and kills the other people, other players? Or are you the kind of player who likes to cooperate with some other players in the game and not engaging into a PvP fight, you know? I'm not the type of player who likes to kill others. So... but I did get killed a couple of times by some greedy players, even though I shouted them to don't shoot, and I... Anyway. But that's the good thing about the game. You can play it so many different ways. So there's so many different scenarios, and it's basically never ending. Never ending. You can go for the missions. You can go for so many ways. What the heck is going on with the market now? We're not even at lunch hour. Yeah, I think it's going to spike up there. There is a fair value gap up at 20, just above my stop loss. So there's a fair value gap right there. It wants to take that. Look at that. There's the liquidity. 10 points away. Darn it, right? It's going to go for it. Yeah. It's gone. It was a good run. It was a good run. Did what we could. Maybe not. Okay, what is going on? That's interesting. This was interesting. Is it gonna go lower now? What is happening? Could anybody explain? I don't know what's going on. Is this gonna go down or? What's the issue here? I'm just trying to figure out if I want to close this or not. I still don't know. Kind of wiggling everybody out. I'm still trying to figure out to close this trade or not. What's it doing? We still have 5 minutes until the lunch hour. Question remains. Is it going to sweep lows or what? I have no idea. Anyway. Peter, I've been online a few hours. I started 8 in the morning, but only until 10 in my time, and then at MyFunded TV, and here only since 1 hour and 15 minutes. So not a big deal so far. Yeah, we have a 1 hour fair value gap too. I don't know what's it gonna be. But definitely interesting price action. Definitely interesting price action. Less than 2 minutes to go until lunch hour. I really can't get a read on this. Yeah, I'm checking the hourly on the other screen on mine. Less than 1 minute to go until lunch hour. So we're gonna have new hourly, 4-hour, everything. We're gonna have a bunch of new candles coming up. I don't know. Can this one go higher? We have the new candles here. Seems like it wants to go up there. Very interesting. But I'm gonna be curious. If it wants to go up to the 26, do we want to scalp it or not? That's the big question. This is gonna try to push it or not. For liquidity, of course. Liquidity purposes only. Or is it gonna go lower? I can't decide. I just can't. Is it going back to 200 now, or what's the plan? I think it wants to. Is it gonna go back for that fair value gap or not? I can't choose. I don't know if I want to close this down or not. Anyway. Yeah, could be. It might be the end of this run here. Look at that, it's going back up there. Actually, I'm closing it down. I made the choice. I don't want to hold on to a trade like this, so it's just better to exit. There is a fair value gap on, let's see, it's a 26, I think. No, it's on the 1 minute, sorry. Let me switch back. Yeah, it was here. It didn't go for it. So there's a 1 minute fair value gap here. It didn't go for it. Interesting. Starting the high is at 26.50. Didn't take it. That's interesting. What a range. Actually, would have taken me out at break even. But is it a good idea to scalp it? I don't think. November 7, 1 hour fair value gap. Let's see. Yeah, this one. That would be the, that would be technically the low of this 15-minute demand zone. I'm not really, I mean, for fair value gaps, I'm not really looking for them as entry levels, not even for targets. I'm just kind of seeing them as possible levels of liquidity. That's what I see when I'm looking at them, but nothing more. Okay. Let's see what is going on. Yeah, Straits, hello, welcome. We have down close candle on the hourly, so that's good news. But I think we can still continue lower. I kind of like that idea. I kind of like the idea that we could go lower. So look at that. We picked up liquidity from that fair value gap there. We approached the launch hour. What if now do I have a connection issue here? I think I have a connection issue on my charts. Wow, we got quite close. Yeah. Lost you a few times. How did you lose me? Was the stream not going, or was it lagging or something? Let me know. Could have been the issue. I feel like it wants to go lower. Are we seeing a retracement or pullback here, or what the heck is going on? Oh, I don't know. Could have been a YouTube issue or a connection issue. I don't know. I'm kind of curious if we have a scalp opportunity. You know, if we want to go down to 113, do we have a scalp opportunity down there at the 40s, maybe at the 30s, to jump in for 10 or 15 points? Is it going to drop down or not? And maybe I'm going to take it, but I'm going to wait a little bit more. This lunch hour is crazy. Okay, going back up there. Picking up some liquidity. Is that going to be enough? I don't know. Is that gonna be enough? Alex, hello. Yeah, no volume. Doing great. No, I do my funded futures. I do the 9 a.m. segment now. So I do the opening segment at my funded TV from 9 a.m. to 10:30. So I have my time here on my channel at this hour. But I was just trying to figure out if we're gonna go down to that demand zone or not. But pretty much just shopping here. The market is kind of in a chop session. Is it going to go higher? Is it going to go back into the new week opening gap? Or what's the plan here? Gotta wait this one out. No strategy. Just waiting. Okay, it's definitely a chop session. Chopping all around. Yeah, in the higher time frames, it seems like just accumulation, right? It's just a pure accumulation, nothing more. Still interesting. Come on, what is happening? Yeah, I can. Yeah, me too. I was kind of thinking if we can get out of this, preferably on the lower end, that would be good. But I don't think that the market is just going to do that right now. I think it can just go higher, sweep some orders. Maybe the PM session will show a better direction. I mean, look at the 5 minute. It's definitely consolidation here. It's also a little bit sloppy here. It could be just going up there again to the 300s. Not the area that is a good thing to be in. Look at this. Not moving there. It's gonna sweep higher, which is completely fine, but it's not giving any entries on the 1 minute. Yeah, I'm not gonna wait for it. It's just worthless. K-Bell, hello. Yeah, NQ is now in a ranging session here. We had some good trades earlier. I closed out the recent trade on a break even. I thought that this is gonna drop and I can jump in again to a scalp. I really like that 15-minute demand zone up there. I mean, sorry, down there here. And, you know, exited at break even here. And I don't think it's going to go down again. Yeah, I don't think it's going to go. It is what it is. On the 15-minute, I think it can just go high, reprice above 300. That would be more logical, especially because it's lunch hour, not enough volume in the market, so who knows. Anyway, ladies and gents, I think I'm gonna call it here. I was waiting for a possible short and it's not happening, so nevertheless, I think later we have a possibility to hit that 113. So remember this level. I think it's a possibility that we're gonna go down there, but I'm not gonna do anything right now. It's just not a good price action. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I'll be back for tomorrow London session and New York as well, of course, with my funded TV too. Yeah, exactly, Eval. So thank you again, everybody. This was fun. Thank you for watching. If you would like to support the channel, and want to pick up some accounts, please use the code TOMSABO up there for most of these prop firms. It's there everywhere. TRADEIFY, you know, Lucid Trading also. FundingTicks and so on. MyFundedFutures, it's not giving you a discount right now, but it gives credit to the channel, so thank you. Apex, Bulenox, all the others. Funded Futures Network, buy one get one for free. Check it out. Thank you, everybody. God bless you all. I'll be back for tomorrow London. All right, cheers everyone.